The Redmi Note 15 Pro is touted to be one of the feature-rich smartphones, with hope for flagship-level performance treaded at a mid-range price. With a Dimensity 820 processor and an exciting 165Hz display, this device can produce a seamless user experience without much effort. It also boasts a powerful 108-megapixel triple-camera arrangement, a solid 5,000 mAh battery, fast charging, and therefore seems promising competition for smartphones in the market. The display of the Redmi Note 15 Pro comes with an LCD screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels for sharp and clear images. It has a refresh rate of 165 Hz to deliver ultra-smooth scrolling through web pages, during gameplay, and even when playing videos. The device is powered by the Dimensity 8020 octa-core processor for seamless and effective performance. The Redmi Note 15 Pro comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB inbuilt memory, capable of smooth multitasking, heavy gaming, and storing large-sized files with ease. The smartphone runs on out-of-the-box Android v14, offering feature upgrades and security patches to keep the user experience smooth and safe. It also supports 5G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, NFC, and IR Blaster, making it highly versatile in daily usage. The triple rear camera setup for Redmi Note 15 Pro will look something like this. 108-megapixel main sensor, highly detailed photos with vibrant colors and sharpness, even in low light conditions. 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, ideal to shoot wide, be it a sceneries view or group photos. 2-megapixel macro lens, supports shooting close-up images with minute details and is ideal for macro photography enthusiasts. 32-megapixel front camera ensures selfies and video calls are taken in high definition. Realme 15 Pro 5G battery and charging. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is kitted with a 5,000 mAh battery for all-day use, with no need to charge midday. It also supports 150 watts fast charging so that users can give their phone a quick fill to reduce any downtime they might incur. The battery is optimized to be more energy efficient to keep the device powered on during peak hours upon intensive gaming and video consumption. The tipster describes the price for the Redmi Note 15 Pro at a starting price of $24,990, which is a good mid-segment offering by the company to provide high-end features. With such promising specifications and competitive pricing, the phone will surely attract many customers who are in the market to get value for their money.